Trendsight Media YouTube channel. We invite you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Master Herbert in the house, back again with sad news on our desk, and it's about the death of Rebecca Cheptegei. Ugandan athlete Rebecca Cheptegei has passed on. She died at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret, Kenya, where she was admitted to the intensive care unit. The acting director of Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, Dr. Owen Menak, confirmed that Rebecca Cheptegei died last night after all her organs failed to work. However, Dr. Owen stated that the hospital would give a full report on the matter soon. Rebecca Cheptegei sustained 80% burn injuries after her alleged boyfriend doused her body with petrol and set her on fire, which eventually damaged most of her organs. Rebecca's alleged boyfriend, Dickson Ndiema Marangachi, also sustained burn injuries during the attack, and he is currently admitted to the same intensive care unit facility with about 30% burns. Dickson Marangachi is alleged to have sneaked into Cheptegei's home with a 5-liter jerrycan full of petrol when Cheptegei had gone to church with their children. And when she returned back home, Marangachi poured the petrol on her and ultimately set her fire. It was their neighbors who rescued them after hearing a great commotion and led them to hospital in a critical condition. Mzee Joseph Cheptegei, the father to the deceased athlete, clarified that the two were just friends for some time, but had been quarreling over her land at Endebs in Trans Nzoia, where the attack occurred. Mzee Joseph Cheptegei wondered why Marangachi needed to take away her daughter's belongings. The late Cheptegei had only 2 children from a Ugandan man who is currently living in Uganda. Rest in peace, Rebecca. We shall always remember your contributions to the country Uganda, and we are going to miss you so much. May the Lord self-protect you in eternal peace. In Uganda we say subscribing, liking, commenting, era beranga or sharing. Now that is the news about the death of the Ugandan athlete who was set on fire by her boyfriend, basing on the reason that they had land wrangles, and that's why he decided to pour petrol on her and set her on fire, which consequently damaged most of her parts of the body. Then, due to their failure, the athlete died in the hospital. Arrangements are soon to be declared or announced by those who are concerned, because they are now working on the burial arrangements. Sad news. We shall never forget Rebecca. We only need to send our condolences to the family and friends of the deceased Aslet. Luganda tugamba nti Mukama amuwumuze mirembe omuddusi oyo Rebecca Cheptegei abadde muddusi wa Uganda era awadde nnyo obudde bwe okubanga alwanirira erinnya ly'abaddusi mu Uganda, mpozi naye okubanga yefuna kasente mu field eyo ey'okudduka, naye ku myaka egyo 33 emimpi wagendedde mu bintu eby'omuzannyo gw'abavubuka kwagala bya bwereere. Malangaki n'asalawo okuba nti amuyira asidi era eyamujje mu bulamu buno obw'ensi. Abadde ajjanjabibwawo mu Kenya era mpozi gy'afiiridde. Naye nga tukugamba ti ku 27 media kwoli subscribinga, likinga, commentinga ati weerala kusharinga. Beera ku mukutu ku lw'amawulire mpozi mangi ddala, naye ag'olwaleero gabadde gakufa kwa mwana muwala oyo Rebecca. Omukama mpozi amuwumuze mirembe ate era amulamuze ekisa ku lw'ebirungi byakoledde eggwanga Uganda, mpozi n'awala wonna. Tukimanyi nti emikwano gibaddewo mingi ne balabirira, naye tusaba Mukama Katonda abagumize ddala era abagumize ddala mweraba.